You know that kid in your youth group who asks big questions, who's constantly coming up to you after church with theological complexities and things that they're curious about. And I think one of the greatest gifts that pastors as leaders in theological communities is to identify those students and say, I see in you a particular gift for curiosity and for leadership, and to really think of this as a way to nominate them for a really special experience.
God is free and has power to do what God wants to do.
For 2 weeks, these students will get to come here, have a real community building experience with other high school students and college students that'll be here helping shepherd them through the program. So they'll have a community building time where they get to set aside their activities from home and really contemplate big theological issues.
This program will take an opportunity to help young people to understand more about theological inquiry, to think through not only patterns of God in their own life, but to build a sense of how they apply to the events and also the actions that are called for in this day and age.
Because of all the things that we're learning about and all the moral and ethical and theological, like you learn about your own beliefs and what you really hold true to yourself to believe in.
Monmouth College is a college that is returning to its Presbyterian roots and giving declaration to the fact that somehow we have an opportunity to transform the world through today's youth.
So we're hoping churches will send their young people to us, to this Theological Institute, and then we can gift them back to the church as newly inspired leaders.
We're sending them back to their churches for works of mission and works of leadership and works of theological engagement.